to fill the dark void in my heart, make it deeper with more black hatred.
More black.
That sounds sad.
Sad. I love being sad. I can't say bad things. I can't say bad things. I can't say bad things. Hey, hey.
Help, 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 help. Oh my goodness. What's going on? What the fuck is he doing?
Joe. Hey, Joe.
Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up?
Get
What do I
out.
do?
Oh, no. Me and you. Me and you. Can we
Yeah,
fight this
yeah.
Genji?
Of course.
Deflected by...
Pain is inevitable.
Yes. Good pick.
Lending a hand.
Great pick, even. Quit sucking me!
I got Genji.
Oh! Oh!
Where the fuck did you?
I don't care. Joe?
Yeah, I'm scared for my life. Oh my god.
Keeping you up, brother. Deflecting! Yeah. Go for backline. Kitty go. Yes, good.
I need healing.
Get over here on this side. Receive my aid. Get on point. Here.
We cannot.
Back.
Over here!
You guys got it.
Genji won. Genji. Woo! Guys.
Come back.
Suck him.
He's dead.
I'm dead. It's okay. No, it's okay. Dulce's got it. Dulce's got it.
Nice, dude.
Progress is seldom won with ease.
The fuck is everyone?
With me.
Yvonne needs help.
Janlo Hanai.
Yvonne?
He can't hear.
Just pray that.
Slipping away.
You're gonna make it come back.
Receive my aid.
I will.
Surrender to my will.
What's up? Oh shit.
Oh shit. Y'all can't hit me. Attack.
What's up?
Up there. Go. Down.
Come on.
Go, back up.
I love this game.
Back up.
Back up. It's not an option anymore.
Kill the Moira. Please kill the Moira. Please. The Moira is carrying her team on their shoulders.
Our objective.
Moira.
Moira dead. Good. Great. Get off me, you fat. How fat are you? How obese are you? Get off me! I'm so sorry.
The enemy advances on our point.
Just words of love.
Pick me, I dare you, not you. Okay, we have Yvonne's ult. Yes.
You're getting insane.
I can't.
Moira's low.
Oh my god, you're getting fucking destroyed. Get Genji off.
Surrender to my will.
I'll try to save you in front of it.
The point is vulnerable.
Oh my god, did we
Let
just
us
win?
take it.
Give me back to season 6.
Can you wall something?
And here.
I got you, brother.
Thank you.
Your end is within my
I did not stop him
Can
though.
you hear us now?
That's okay.
You guys can hear us?
Good job. Perfect wall. Also, I didn't mean it like, can you wall some? I didn't mean it like that. It kind of sounded like that. I just said it fast and I was like, can you wall something?
My ult's coming up. Guys, need comms, please.
Tom,
I got
help me
one.
God! Does it mean you were healing buddies?
What's that? Oh, Hannah, get up. Get your ass up. What? Yeah.
Where's this Genji with freaking my
He said. Oh, no, he's not. Oh my gosh, I lied. I'm just sitting on point. Come point.
false comms.